This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by sourcing the essential modules and prepping the cups. Connect one MEMS mic per ear cup and position it near the driver for ambient pickup. This gives accurate phase information. Once done, mount the ANC board outside the sealed cavity so it can process signals without overheating. Make sure to measure cavity volume and add foam pads to reduce resonance. While you solder, tin wires and use heat shrink to prevent shorts. This saves time and avoids rework later. You now build the signal chain and tune the system. Route mic signals into the ANC board and feed processed output through the DAC and headphone amp to the drivers. Once connected, implement a short feedback loop with an internal reference mic to let the adaptive filter cancel predictable low-frequency noise. Make sure to test with pink noise and a sine sweep and adjust filter coefficients incrementally. This reduces instability. As you tune, monitor phase margin and avoid aggressive gain that causes oscillation or pumping artifacts. You finish by sealing and securing everything for reliable operation. Close the ear cups with gasketing foam and route wiring so it won't pinch. Install the battery with a protection circuit and verify charging. Once powered, perform final EQ to balance ANC versus audio fidelity, reduce low-frequency boost that masks voices. If you encounter problems, start troubleshooting. Identify oscillation or hissing, check grounding and cable shielding, and if needed, reduce ANC gain or add a few millisecond delay in the loop to stabilize the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.